Hi, I'm Cannabob, and today I'll be showing you how to decarboxylate your trimmings. For those of you who do not know what trimmings are, they're your leaves and your stems that are left over from your plants after you've harvested and gotten your bud. And from these trimmings, we decarboxylate the pot, the trimmings, and the end result is a fabulous can of butter. How nice is that? You may ask yourself, what can you make with this butter? Well, the possibilities are endless. From omelets to brownies to macaroni and cheese. It may come out green, but green is good. So, I'm going to take you through a tutorial, and this is very important, I must say. Shout out to our friends at magicalbutter.com. Magical butter machine. Without this, there are ways of making it, but this just makes it 20 times easier. So, we got our decarboxylated. Alright, so we remove the lid, make sure it's plugged in, of course. And I know I said we're making butter, but you can substitute it with coconut oil. This is 100% pure coconut oil. You can pick it up at your local grocery store. And you pour, and we're going to pour it into the marking where it says minimum, because we still have to add our marijuana trimmings. Can we get a close up? And we're just about there. Okay. Now, I've decarboxylated this last week, so I'm going to add this because it's already been decarboxylated. We don't want to touch it. Don't want to get THC on our fingers. And I'm going to mix that now. And it's safe to say that we can add some more oil. There's only a tiny bit left, so a whole bottle. Alright. So we've just added the trim that I decarboxylated last week, and this was decarboxylated early this morning. And I'm going to try to get some more in there without getting the place messy. Alright, it's going smoothly so far. And just get that all in there. There's a maximum line that you don't want to cross. So make sure you don't cross that line, and mix the oil with the trim repeatedly so we can saturate it. Take a close-up of this, please. it's a shame to waste this, so we'll just add it all. The more the merrier. And mix that again. And to decarboxylate your weed trimmings, you set your conventional oven, not a toaster oven, regular oven, to 240, that's Fahrenheit. And for 35 minutes, cover it with tin foil, 40 minutes tops, and there we have it. Ready to go. I just got to put the top on, and I'll show you that in the next clip. Alright, so we're going to put the lid on, and it should make a beeping sound. Yes, that's when you know it's on correctly. And I like to make my coconut oil strong, very strong. So I'm going to go for the temperature of 160 Fahrenheit. That's the 21 Celsius. And go for 4 hours. And you set it and forget it. The LED lights come on, and that's when you know it's working. Isn't that lovely?